Hi everyone. A HUD becomes useful before the driver reads the exact number on it. In this Li Auto example, the main design move is the fixed structure of the view. Driving information is placed inside the forward field of vision with a clear spatial order. The driver can understand the rough meaning of each area before reading the detail. That is why the cover says HUD builds driving structure. The interface is doing more than placing data higher on the windshield. It gives the driver one stable path for reading the road and understanding the system. This is important because attention is already under pressure. The driver is reading the road first. If the HUD behaves like a loose collection of icons, the eye has to search again inside the display. A stable layout reduces that search cost because the driver learns where each type of information belongs. The useful part is the relationship between the position and meaning. Once that relationship becomes familiar, the HUD starts to feel less like a screen and more like part of the driving scene. The second page shows how this structure works in two conditions. In the regular view, the layout already has a clear order. The route information is separated from the forward perception area, and the speed state stays in a place the driver can quickly recognize. This lets the driver read the system through the same forward view they are already using for the road. Then the snow mode makes the design logic easier to see. In heavy snow, the outside scene gives the driver less support. The road surface becomes brighter. The lane edge becomes weaker, and the real environment loses contrast. The HUD has to keep the driving structure readable when the world outside becomes visually noisy. The orange mode answers that problem through contrast. Orange separates the guideline layer from the snow background, so the key information remains visible. The color is doing a practical job here. It protects readability. The stronger point is that the structure does not change. The driver still uses the same visual habit. The HUD keeps its spatial order, and only the contrast strategy adapts to the weather. That is the design lesson I would take from this example. A HUD is strongest when it gives the driver a stable way to read the driving scene across different conditions. Layout builds the structure. Color protects it when visibility gets worse. I'm Paxton. I share automotive UX and intelligent cockpit design analysis here. If you have any thoughts or examples you want me to discuss, leave a comment. And if this topic interests you, welcome to subscribe.